What are some of the techniques that you use to stay in character?
Don't worry about how you look on screen. You will. The half the battle is won there.
आपका नाम के साथ में जो है ये भी है कि my name is Khan.
There's this worry about religion, caste, country. It is a propaganda of the people who believe in divide and rule. जो भी आपके दिल में है, वो आपका खुदा है, वो आपका भगवान है.
He's such an amazing dancer, such clear and smooth steps he have. Can we get a dance reel of him? Or in future, if dance reality shows like Jhalak Dikhla and etc. will approach him, would he want to participate or not?
The dance reality show would be a good thing, inshallah. Hi guys, this is Farman Khan. You're watching me on Connect Cine with Faridun. Stay connected.
Okay, this is Annie from Delhi. When are we going to witness the director Farman Khan next directorial venture? And would love to listen some lines of Shairi if possible.
I'm hoping to come soon and direct something that's going to be not a music video but something else. If that does work out, hopefully that will be wonderful. But देखते हैं कोशिश. अभी ये जो शो कर रहा हूँ मैं, ये 7 days a week का टेलीकास्ट है, so there's no time whatsoever to do anything else. Hopefully, if I do get the time, when I do get the time, we'll figure something out. But until then, yeah.
So what is your schedule like when you're doing like a 7-day?
It's 12 hours a day every day.
Hmm.
And in that 12 hours, sometimes what happens is that कभी-कभी बीच में आपके 3-4 घंटे का ब्रेक होता है, सीन्स नहीं होते आपके, किसी और का सीन हो रहा होता है. तो तब is when I take my car and just leave from the set and I go around wherever I want to go meet someone and come back. Sometimes you pack up a little early. कि आपका 9 बजे का शिफ्ट लगा है, आपका 6 बजे पैकअप हो गया. Then evening becomes a little more chilled out for me. I go meet friends and stuff like that. But generally, you're working 12 to 13 hours a day. And it's mostly a 9 o'clock or a 10 o'clock. Or sometimes if you're a day shoot, पूरा दिन का अगर शूट है तो 7 बजे का शिफ्ट होता है. तो 7 बजे से लेके आप 7 बजे तक शूट करते हो तो वैसे ही आप ट्रेन हो जाते हो, बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी हेक्टिक शूट. You have to shoot about 5 to 6, 7 scenes a day, 20 minutes of telecast of footage needed. So it drains you out by the end of the day.
So what about gym and your food?
Whenever you get the time. My food is always a constant diet. It's not a diet, it's a lifestyle. It's how I indulge, it's how I eat. तो कभी कभी मन कर जाए, ईद होती है या कोई किसी का दिवाली होता है, मैं मीठा तो खाता ही नहीं. That's complete zero for me. My sugar is only 1 cup of coffee in the morning that I drink, of milk coffee that I drink in the morning. उसमें गिन के मैं 10 दाने चीनी डालता हूँ. 10 cubes of sugar, that's all, the small दाने. तो वो उतना ही शुगर होता है मेरे दिन में. मीठा नहीं खाता मैं. And during the day I try and eat proteins as much as possible, with at least about a roti or two maybe in the afternoon. That sometimes yes, sometimes not. My nights are always proteins and vegetables. As much as I can, I try and eat greens during the day. Your alkaline waters, your detox waters are very important. I try and put new fresh things every day in my water and drink that as much as I can. Black coffee is a very regular thing because you're working that much. You need something to keep waking you up. My workouts are before I leave to shoot. Even if I have 20 minutes to work out, I do my workout at home, jumps, and I have a punching bag. So if I think punch that bag for about 15 minutes, I'm already drained and I'm already sweating. And you try and do as much as you can, जितना भी हो सके. कभी कभी सेट पे अगर टाइम मिल जाता 3-4 घंटे तो आप तब वर्कआउट कर लेते हो. तो ऐसा कोई फिक्स्ड रूटीन नहीं होता working like this. But whenever you get the time, you try and make the best out of that time.
Great. This is Medha from Bangalore. What are some of the techniques that you use to stay in character?
Be true to yourself. Be true to the character. There's no second thought about that. ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करना होता when you're honest to yourself, when you're honest to the character. Look in, feel, understand, and believe that you are that person while you're playing that person. And not worry. If you're an actor, I'm telling you this. Veda, right? Veda.
J. Medha.
Bangalore. Veda, if you're an actor and you want to know the answer to this, is don't worry about how you look on screen. Half the battle is won there. This is the first thing that people start worrying too much about. How they're looking, how they're कितना क्या लग रहा है, कैसे है. मतलब ये सब सोचो मत. Believe that character is you. Feel what that character is feeling. Understand the depth of that scene. and just be honest to that character with purity.
Okay, so Vaman, आपका नाम के साथ में जो है ये भी है कि माय नेम इज खान.
जी.
तो अब ये मेधा फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे आपके फैन है, यू नो, सो मेनी लक्ष्मी है, सो मेनी फैंस फ्रॉम वेरियस पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंट्री, वेरियस पार्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, डिफरेंट रिलीजन्स. एक एक्टर के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, एक थिंकिंग इंडिविजुअल के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, कितना इम्पोर्टेंट आपके लिए होता है टू राइज बियॉन्ड one's religious identity, because many times certain things are imposed and they're too in the face, at times as well,
Yeah.
for various reasons. I think all of us, we are aware of it. So for you as an artist, how important is it to rise above these things?
I think one thing I believe, Faridun, I think it's not the public that are in this propaganda. You know, that this worry about religion, caste, country. It is a propaganda of the people who believe in divide and rule. Right? हम as human beings हम नहीं सोचते हैं इतना. वो जो उस जीवन में उस जगह पे जीते हैं ना, जो डिवाइड एंड रूल वाला कॉन्सेप्ट जिसके पास है, द डेमोक्रेसी, द पॉलिटिकल वर्ल्ड, दे आर द वंस who making this a big funda. Otherwise, human beings love each other very much. They don't care about whose caste, what there is. The very example is the various kinds of people that I have fans of. You know, I'm the people that are fans of me. There's no caste, there's no religion, there's nothing there. It's just love for the person, and for me, it's love for that person also. तो मुझे लगता है कि जगह जहाँ पे हो, आप कंट्री हो, ये सब प्रोपेगेंडाज हैं. हम इंसानों में वो ज़्यादा नहीं है. एंड टू बी अ पर्सन who's above all this, I think it takes you to understand that if you're talking about religion, I think at the end of the day, it's one God. Everybody is जो भी आपके दिल में है वो आपका खुदा है, वो आपका भगवान है. मेरे दिल में सब है. मैं हर जगह जाके बैठ सकता हूँ. मुझे किसी चीज़ से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती. और मुझे लगता है कि मेरे फैंस जो है वो उस चीज़ से कनेक्ट करते हैं. उनको भी वो समझ आता है कि इसको आई एम नॉट डिफ्रेंशिएटिंग एनी वन. आई एम नॉट डिफ्रेंशिएटिंग फ्रॉम हु आई एम, वॉट आई एम. मैं कई बार बोलता हूँ, मैंने कहा मैं मंत्र भी पढ़ सकता हूँ, मुझे दुआएं भी आती हैं, मुझे कैरल्स भी आते हैं. You know, I would love to. I've gone and sat down in gurudwaras. I've gone and sat down in temples. I've visited whatever places I've visited and never felt a difference in humankind. Humankind is the same. Everybody is the same. People's beliefs do not matter as long as you are beautiful and kind to each other. And I think it's very important to love, live, and let live. And in this world also that we live in, you just give as much as you can without having too much expectations. And that's the thing I believe in always.
Amazing. Okay, so I understand that you have a very tight schedule, but quickly we'll take a few more questions, and I have a short rapid fire as well.
Yeah.
Rapid fire में मैंने fan question से ही curate किया है.
Acha, wow, wonderful.
Okay, this is Sachi Mohabbat. Now that's a handle because नाम नहीं दिया उन्होंने.
Acha.
Sachi Mohabbat. He's such an amazing dancer, such clear and smooth steps he have. Can we get a dance reel of him? Or in future, if dance reality shows like Jhalak Dikhla and etc. will approach him, would he want to participate or not? What's about working in other medium than TV? So आप dance reel चाहते हैं आपकी, और
हाँ,
dance shows करना चाहते हैं?
डांस शोज भी कर सकते हैं. I'm a little underconfident with my dance yet at this point because I've not been practicing much. But I think a dance reality show would be a good thing. Inshallah, if Jhalak Dikhla works out. And my timing is not working out with this, honestly. Every time it's happening, either one of the show is going on or the other show is going on. So timing बैठना बहुत जरूरी है. Yes, and I think I've also answered the other platforms wala question. Where work comes my way, I'm going to take that.
Right. This is Shriek from Vishakhapatnam. I saw you had a cut on an eyebrow. It's just for style, or do you have any story?
It's my cricket injury. एक दिन मैं कीपिंग कर रहा था और आई वाज कैप्टन ऑफ दैट टीम टू, बिकॉज उस दिन मेरा कीपर की तबीयत खराब थी, तो मैं स्टैंड इन कीपर बन गया था. एंड बॉलर को शायद पता ही था कि मैं अभी तक फील्ड सेट कर रहा था. मैंने किसी को हटाया उस तरफ से, मैंने कहा इधर आ, और मैं घूमा तो देखा तो बॉल मेरे आगे यहाँ था. And it just hit me, and that cut is this eyebrow is that from that, and that is the story of this eyebrow cut. It's not for style. You can't maintain it so well if it's for style, man.
Right. एक बड़ा कैपिटल लेटर्स में एक सवाल है कि तबस्सुम का ढाका से नेशन वांट्स टू नो व्हेन ही इज गेटिंग मैरिड, ये कैपिटल में
Even I want to know. If you have an answer, please tell me.
दिस इज फ्रॉम लाहौर पाकिस्तान,
Yeah.
नाम नहीं है. Okay, your approach to life and its phases is commendable. How is it possible for you to stay positive and calm in every situation? You impress me always with your positivity and your simple, humble, and down to earth nature. Stay like this always. Evil eyes off. So this is from Lahore, Pakistan, but I'm not having the name that there's no
Thank you
name.
so much. That's a nice thing to say. Uh, you've answered your own question. It is very simple to be simple. It is very complicated to be complicated. That's a simple answer to that. And there's no, your positivity comes from a mindset where you're not complicated in your head. You believe, like I said also in this interview, that you know that there's a situation, you have to deal with it. You'll deal with it. Let your emotions go through whatever they have to, and you'll get out of it. So keeping it simple is very important, and that's what my motto is to be at. Just keep it simple, and you know that you will get out of that situation because life has to move on. Nothing is constant. That's the funda.
Okay, there's one last question. So once again, इनका नाम नहीं है, लेकिन सवाल बहुत अच्छा है. मैं सवाल आपसे पूछूंगा.
Yeah.
You belong to the industry where negativity and criticism follow everywhere, including in reels, pics, or the post. Any words on mental health?
Very nice question. It's a big, it's a vast ocean to open, mental health. But I believe the most difficult thing is for you to understand that mental health is one thing, depression is another thing. You know, depression is a situation that is an actual thing that needs to be dealt with doctors and you need medical help for that mostly. But mental health is something that today we have made it very common by just knowing about it. The information that we have is very less, and we start to believe that we're mentally ill at this point. We're mentally very disturbed. We're mentally very. तो moment you get into a mental problem कि आपको तकलीफ हो रही है mentally, तो आप उसको immediately depression का नाम दे देते हैं. That is the problem that people are facing in this today. And today, आप अगर 25 साल पहले जाओ, किसी को इस चीज के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन ज्यादा थी नहीं. जब उनको इंफॉर्मेशन थी नहीं, how did they deal with it in that time? They believed what I am saying to you is that you're in a situation, you know that the situation is at hand, you sit down, sit back, drink a glass of water, breathe, and understand that this situation has to pass. You will deal with it. How to deal with it is by being calm, by not putting yourself too much. Like I said, Faridun, I said, if you let your brain take over, if you let your mind take over, then you will not be able to deal with the situation. You will dwell into it a little more, and you will go into it a little more. You will go into it a little more. Just let yourself feel the emotion, go through it, and बहुत मुश्किल होता है, पर immediately आपके mental problems को depression का नाम ना दे के try and figure it out. Try and figure out the solution to it by being calm, by panicking, by getting hyper, by worrying कि इसका क्या होने वाला है, मैं ठीक हो पाऊंगा, नहीं हो पाऊंगा, कर पाऊंगी, नहीं कर पाऊंगी. ये सोचते सोचते आपका टाइम बहुत निकल जाएगा, तो आप उसको ठीक कर ही नहीं पाओगे. शांत हो जाओ. Life is very easy. It's not as complicated as people are making it today. And just let it happen to you. Go through life, smile. Even if the situation is bad, try and smirk to it and see, okay, I know what you're doing with me, but I'll get over this also. And believe that life is going to go like that only. तकलीफों में आपको तकलीफें आपको बहुत कुछ सिखाती हैं. आपके लाइफ के एक्सपीरियंसेस जो आते हैं वो आपके डिफिकल्ट टाइम से आती हैं, आपके अच्छे टाइम से नहीं आती. और जो आपका अच्छा टाइम आप एंजॉय करोगे वो तभी कर पाओगे जब आपकी जिंदगी में तकलीफ आएंगी.